Hey, everyone, exciting news from Apple. Big changes are coming to how your iPhone works with third-party repairs. Starting later this year, Apple is updating iOS to ensure that features like True Tone and battery health metrics won't be disabled when you get your screen or battery replaced by a third party. For a while now, if you opted for a non-Apple repair, you might have noticed certain features not working as they should. That's because Apple's hardware is tightly integrated with its software, making it tricky for third parties to match up perfectly. However, Apple is now relaxing these restrictions to give you more freedom in choosing where to get your iPhone fixed. Here's the scoop. While Apple won't block True Tone and battery health metrics anymore, they can't guarantee they'll work perfectly with third-party parts. That's because Apple's own components are carefully calibrated to deliver the best experience. So, while your screen or battery might work, there could be slight differences in how these features perform. Apple is also stepping up to ensure transparency. If you use third-party parts, your iPhone might display battery metrics like maximum capacity differently than it would with Apple parts. This is because some third-party batteries may not be brand new, which could affect how the metrics are reported. These changes are expected to roll out around September, coinciding with the release of iOS 18. Keep an eye out for more details as we get closer to the launch date. What do you think about these updates? Are you excited about the possibility of more repair options for your iPhone? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. See you next time.